Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I'm the crazy cat lady here, right back at you. And I have the December's cat lady box. I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's do this together. Holiday boxes are the funnest. I don't know why, but oh, look at how cute. So this is how it looks inside. Got this print, really, really cute. Look at how adorable that is. Loving it, and it tells you everything that's inside, which is awesome. So let's dig right into this. All right, so for a cat toy, we got Meow Holiday Lights toy. So let's see what that is all about. You know what? I'm just gonna clip right in here. Oh, here comes Shelby. He knows I'm doing something. Oh, it comes with a cute card. So this is for you and Chloe, Shelby. Oh, look, it has like looks like a little string of lights, but it's a cat toy. Yeah. Isn't that cute? They love these. They love this box as much as I do. But go over there and play. Shelby, you're in my way. All right. And then I got, oh my God, these are so cute. These are socks. How adorable. Oh no, they're not socks. I thought they were socks. Oh, they're like mittens. Shelby. Shelby wants to get right in here because they're mittens. Look at how cute. Look at these. Yeah, Shelby. Mommy got these little glove set. Let's put them on and see what they look like. Oh, okay. So you can kind of go like this. This is cute. Shelby. Honey, Mommy needs to, honey, sit over here on the side. You know what he's looking for? You know what he's looking for? This cute toy. And it has catnip. You want this toy? Ah, that's what you want. Sorry that Shelby's in the way, but he can't seem to wait. He wants his toys. Isn't that cute? These look like handmade toys. Come on. Go get it. Go. He's all happy. He says, Mommy, thank you. Mommy, thank you for the toys. Go get it. Go get it, honey. Look at. He really likes that toy. So the next thing in here is always what I love is, oh, it's like a hoodie. And it has, oh, look at how cute. It's a thin hoodie. I would put this underneath my sweaters and stuff because I get cold. Look at how adorable this is. So cute. Whiskers and toe beans and purring and slow blinks. These are a few of my favorite things. Aww, I love that. And, oh, a placemat. Oh my God, these are so cute. I love these. These come in handy, especially even around the house. Because, oh my God, look at how cute. There are like a lot of them in here. I think there's like, how many are in here? Are they 3 or 4? Oh no, there's just 2. Look at how cute these placemats are. Love them. I'm going to put them with the placemats up here. And it goes with my red tablecloth, which is great. So that is it for the Cat Lady box this month. Really, really cute. I love, love, love this shirt. And they're thin, so you can put them underneath your sweaters or like your scrub tops, which I would do. So that is it for today. Yeah, a red nose catnip toy. That's what it's called, the reindeer. Light feathered cat toy. Which is so, Shelby, sorry. And then look at, I just love how cute this is. Oh, Shelby decides he's gonna hang out in the box. I'm trying to do this on the table. I have more room, and look at, I gotta try to get it. He's sitting in the box. Look at this. Crazy kitty. So that is it. I just think this print is adorable too. So we basically got the t-shirt, this, one of the cat toys, and the other one's on the floor over there, and then the placemats. So all of that. This box is a little on the pricey side, but it just this alone is like almost 30 bucks, like a little hoodie type thing. So I just love, how much is the wrist warmers? Oh, these are wrist warmers. Oh, this would be $23, like according to them, little kitty wrist warmers. But I think it's a great deal in a way, because you get unique stuff that you normally wouldn't be getting. So I like it as a surprise. I am not going to be doing this for a few months. I'm going to be doing different type of videos. I'm going to try to incorporate different videos in on my YouTube channel. But I'm going to take a little break on the Cat Lady box. And it will return. It might return like in the summer sometime or the late spring. I don't know. I'm just trying to save a little money to go away. So with that said, this will be the last box for a little while. And I want to do different things for you all. And definitely, like always, comment below with any suggestions to what for me to film, and I like to listen to all of your suggestions, and I like to be able to communicate and voice some suggestions on your part too, on what to film, what to put on this channel. And what are you doing, Shelby? So with that said, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for supporting my channel. And I love you all, and have an awesome day. And stay being you, and always love yourself. Nobody else is going to do it for you but you. Have an awesome day. And remember, subscribe and hit that like button. Right, Shelby? Hit the like button. Alright, see you later, everyone.